I have something new to show you today. Bam! This is the Grabie subscription box. I am very excited about this. So Grabie reached out to me and asked if I wanted this box, and of course I said yes because it looks really cool. Grabie is a small startup company based in California. They started out in 2021 in response to the widespread anxiety and depression caused by COVID. And they believe in the healing powers of art, and so do I. So this really made sense for me to show you. This particular box, and I have not opened it yet. Look, it's sealed. But this particular box, and how cute the box is, right? May the art be with you. How fun. This is the May sub box. And it is the Scrapbook Club box. They also have an art club box, and they also have other products on their website. But this one was the monthly subscription box for May, and it's valued at over $90. It's available on Amazon, and since tomorrow is Prime Day, it's going to be on sale for $39.99. And after Prime Day, the price goes up to $49.99. I'll link everything in the description box for you, by the way. You can purchase this as a one-off box, but there's also a regular subscription box that you can purchase. I will link that for you as well. The first subscription box costs $39.99. Future boxes will be $49.99, and you can cancel at any time. So this box contains all sorts of materials to start scrapbooking. And you know, we use scrapbook supplies in our planners too. And they have different themes each month. I don't really know what this theme is. I didn't look at any spoilers. For example, August 1st is National Planner Day, so they have a planner theme for August, which is super fun. So let's see what is inside. Comes wrapped so nicely. How fun. How fun is this? I cannot wait to see what's in here. Oh my gosh. I love subscription boxes. Are you guys like that? You get a Grabie sticker. Are you kidding? A little flower diary book of plants. Sorry, I gasped. I tend to gasp sometimes. I also have my Invisalign in, so if I'm lisping, that's why. These are so cute. I did not know that, well, I didn't know anything was in here, but look at this. It's a little book of papers, and you can rip them out and use them in your projects, whatever you're doing, in your planner, in your scrapbook, junk journaling, whatever. And that is so cute. Look at all the different designs. It looks like they're all different. That's beautiful. I love it. Okay, let's see what else is here. Lace Fantasy. Ooh, okay. So we have like, are these stickers? What are these? I don't know if these are stickers. We're going to see. I think they are. They're stickers. Yes. So look at all the different ones. There's black lace in here. There's white lace. That is so cool. I don't know what I'll use them for, but I think I'll use them. Okay. I don't know what to look at next. This is so exciting. We have a bookmark. It says bookmark 28 sheets. Let's look and see what this is. So while I'm opening this, I have more to tell you. There is a code BUMBLE15, so you can get 15% off anything on their websites, but it does not apply to subscription boxes because there's already such a deep discount on the sub boxes. So, but you can use my code over there for other stuff, and that code's going to last forever, so you can keep going back if you want. Ooh, I forgot to tell you the best part about this company. So $1 from every order goes to the Grabie Art Fund to provide art supplies for people who can't afford them. I love that so much that they're giving back. I always appreciate that. And it just makes me want to purchase more from a company who does that. So kudos to Grabie for doing that. Let's see what this is. This looks confusing. This is all new to me. They're little. Should I like take this aside? Wait, let me take this aside so that you don't see all the other stuff behind it, because that could be distracting. Look at these. They're little like they're like little bookmarks. They're cardstock. They're so cute. I don't even know what I would do with them, but I like them. They are birds. My friend Plan with Elise would absolutely hate these birds, but I love birds and I'm all for it. Yay. And I can cut these out and stuff. I don't know what I'll do. They say things like love, holiday, with, peace, warmth. You know, lots of birds there. A little pack of bookmarks in the little box. Let's look and see what else is here. This is a little mystery box. Look at this. I don't know what this is. Oh, it's a stamp. Look at that. It's a little stamp. Oh my gosh, I'd have to stamp it to see what it says because it's like backwards, but look, it's just a little butterfly, some words and stuff. So, oh, here it is. Oh my gosh. It says Main Street, Lancaster, New Hampshire, and just some numbers. So it's like an old-timey kind of, you know, stamp. I am not a stamper, but whenever I get stamps from companies, I always like want to use them. And then I forget about it or don't do it because I'm scared. Stamping scares me. I have done it before though. You can go back and see some stamps, some stamp videos I've done. And we have some washi tape. I actually think I have something similar to these, but I can always use more because these are gorgeous. Look, I love the soft little patterns. So cute. It just keeps coming, you guys. What is this? Oh, it's like really pretty, like little lace, like actual lace this time. Not just a picture of it, but actual lace. How pretty is that? That is so cute. Oh my gosh. I have so many ideas running through my mind right now of the ways I can use these. You get a lot too. The problem is that life is too short and there's not enough time to do all of the art projects I want to do and crafts and like all the ideas that I have. I can't do them all. I can't possibly do them all. I just don't have the time, which, does that bother you? It bothers me so much. Okay, there's all sorts of stuff in this little pack. Oh, by the way, for the subscription box, the orders are taken like by the last day of the month. So if you purchase it by the last day, it's mailed out by the 3rd of the next month. So keep that in mind. So if you order, say you order like on the 1st of the month, you're going to have to wait until the following month to get it. So your best bet is to order by the end of the month. Okay. All sorts of stuff in here. Flowers around the window. Oh my gosh. So we have windows and flowers. These are kind of cool. Look at these. They're stickers. Oh my gosh. Can you tell my Invisalign is really giving me a lisp? It's annoying me. It's like stickers. Okay, so we have little papers. These are vellum. Wait, let me move some of this stuff so you can see everything. Little papers. Some, I'll just put out these ones so you can see the different kinds. So they're like floral papers. They're really pretty. Really nice and just flowery, delicate for your romantic spreads or your romantic scrapbook pages or whatever, your romantic craft projects. Let's see. Oh, there's all sorts of stuff in this little pack. Look. Okay, so here's like little aged, are these stickers? These are papers. So it looks like you have stains on them. They're like very old-timey, vintagey. Like, look at these. These are cool. I could absolutely see using these in like some sort of junk journaling spread. Look at these. Love it. And some of them have like the lace around them too. How fun. So you don't have to like, If you like that stained look, you don't have to try to get it yourself. I've tried to stain things and it's really hard. But this way, it's all stained for you already. No problem. You get a lot in this box, I feel like, for the price. And I'm still going. Okay, so these all coordinate. I don't know if you've noticed that, but it is a theme. I don't quite know what the theme is, but there is a theme going. I think it's all kind of pink, right? Sort of. Look at these tickets. These are like vellum kind of too. Some of them are paper though. And some are, oh, wait. No, they're not vellum. They're like a washi tape sticker. So some of them are like paper just without the sticker. And then the shinier ones, well, they're not shiny on the front. But some of them are stickers. So keep that in mind. But Valentine's Day Love Party. Look, little stamps. So cute. Oh my gosh, I used to be a stamp collector when I was a kid. Did you guys collect stamps? If you're my age, chances are you at least at one point had a stamp collection because it was really big back then. Nowadays, I don't think anybody does it, but I loved, look at that, the alphabet. I loved collecting stamps, you guys. And then I sold my stamp collection at a yard sale, which I regret. Back when I needed money in like probably my late 20s, early 30s. And you guys, I sold it for a steal. I don't even remember. It was really cheap. And probably they turned around and sold some of those stamps for a lot of money because I think at that time you could still get some value out of those stamps. Look, a bingo card. How cute. So each picture is a paper and a sticker, I think. Well, this one doesn't seem to be, but most of them. I don't know what happened there. How cute are they? They're really cool. It's all like sort of rose colored. Wait, I have to look up the name of this box just to see what the theme really is. Okay, this box is called Whimsical Wonderland. How fun is that? So now we have some stickers. Are these cut out? I don't know if they're cut out or if you need to cut them. I'm not sure, but we have feathers here. Lots of feathers of different colors. Oh, and then these are puffy stickers. Let's take a look. This is what these guys look like. There's like little jars. They're squishy. They're not just like, they're the puffy ones, you know? There's little jars. Look at the little test tube with the flower in it. A light bulb with flowers. Those are really fun. Wow. Look at these. Ooh, these are really cool. They're like bubbles and stuff. I don't even know what to call them, but you get 2 sheets of each. They look like that. And they are cut out, so these are clear stickers. And the good thing is they're not really shiny. Like the outside of it's pretty shiny, but the sticker itself is sort of matte. It's not really shiny. So yeah, love those. And then you have some words. Hello, keep smiling, hip hip hooray. These are like gold foil. You are loved, make a wish, wonderful, birthday, the best, stay awesome, all that kind of stuff. So that all came in like in little envelopes. Let's see, there's something else in the box. Like I said, you get a lot of stuff. Now I just have to figure out how to store all this stuff. Actually, I'll probably just keep it in the box for now until I can maybe figure out, maybe I'll just keep them in the boxes. I don't know, because I'm sure we'll get more because they're so cute. Yeah, so there's a mystery pack. It's an envelope. It's a cute plastic envelope. Look at that. I can use that for all sorts of stuff to keep a lot of this stuff in, really. Ooh. Stuff. Oh, handmade papers. Look at this. Oh. It's like tied. The doily. Oh, look. It's like those rough papers that are handmade, you know? Look at these. These are so cool. They're textured. How fun are those? Let's see what else is here. Sometimes I feel like I'm not great at describing things. I just sort of like wing it. Always, actually. So, because sometimes I don't know what things are called either, you know? Like these. I'm not sure what these are, but they're cool. They have butterflies. You could use them as like little bookmarks, I guess, little tabs, right? On the side of a page. And you get a bunch of each. Ooh, these are really pretty though. And you can also cut them up. So they're just papers and they're pretty thin. So you can definitely cut them up and use them or rip them and use them in whatever you're doing. And another little doily. How fun. And then we have some old time papers, some vintage looking letters and stuff. You get a couple of each. Again, you don't have to make it look old. It's already looking old, right? They did it for you. Ooh, this one's thicker. This is textured. These are not. This one's definitely like rough. And so is this. And it's like cut around the outside to be sort of like ripped. These are textured as well. So these are really fun. It's a smoother. These are really fun to like rip up and put in your junk journaling spreads. How fun are those? So yeah, I think you get a lot in that box. And I think it's fun that every month is a different theme. I can't wait to see what the August one is that they said was going to be planner themed. Because sometimes I think it's just super exciting to get fun stuff in the mail that's sort of a surprise and you don't know what's coming. That's how I feel when I get subscription boxes. Like it's just the fun of it and you don't know what you're going to get. And nothing like a good surprise box. All right, so again, all of the links will be in the description box for you. Make sure if you're going to purchase this particular box, make sure it's on Prime Day because you will get the cheapest price, and that is $39.99. And Prime Day is tomorrow, the 11th. So yeah, check that out. And thanks for watching. Let me know what you think of this box in the comments. I'd be curious to know what your thoughts are. All right, have a good day, everybody. I will see you in my next one. Bye.